Are you tired of when you use the bathtub and it's slowly taking its jolly old time to empty out? So chances are you have a clog, and the best way to do it is get one of these skinny snakes. Well, as you can hear, it's draining but not enough. So if you have a basement or a crawl space, this is the other thing that you do. I put this down here for demonstration purpose, but you can see all the water there is collected. So if the clog is right here in this area, but you can't exactly pull through it, is you take this whole piping assembly off. All I do is I undo that one, I undo this one right here, and then I unscrew this one right up top here, and then this whole thing should come off. So let me get at it. Okay, now what I use is I use either a ratchet or a wrench. Now I just take that big bucket, put it right over top. That way, catches anything. See that? Watch this. Oh, that smells bad. Now I just take this, clean it on out. Right there is a good check to, you know, if you ain't got an air compressor or you ain't got a garden hose down your basement, to just blow air through it, and then you'll find out if you're clogged or not. Ew. That's nasty. Now, just put it back together. Make sure you don't cross thread that. Be a very bad day if you do, so. All right, let's try it out. Here we go.